Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public transport in Melbourne. First, you'll need a Myki card, which is your ticket to ride. You can easily buy one at train stations, many convenience stores, or even online. Once you have your Myki, make sure to top it up with enough money for your journey. Remember to always touch on when you start your trip and touch off when you finish, so the system calculates the correct fare. This ensures you pay the right amount for your travel across Melbourne's network. Melbourne's public transport system is extensive, featuring trams, trains, and buses that connect the entire city. To make your travel smooth, I recommend using the official PTV app or website to plan your journey in advance. These tools provide real-time information and help you find the best routes. Don't forget about the free tram zone in the Central Business District, where you can ride trams without touching on your Myki. It's a fantastic way to explore the city centre at no cost. Fares on Melbourne's public transport are determined by the zones you travel through and the duration of your trip. The system automatically calculates the best fare for you when you touch on and off. If you plan to travel frequently, consider purchasing a daily or weekly pass, as these can offer significant savings compared to single fares. Also, remember that concession fares are available for students, seniors, and other eligible passengers, so check if you qualify for a reduced rate. To ensure a smooth journey, try to avoid traveling during peak hours, typically morning and evening commutes, as services can be very crowded. Always be mindful of your personal belongings and surroundings, especially on busy routes. For a comfortable ride, consider wearing comfortable shoes, and speaking of comfort, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, so your feet will thank you. Enjoy exploring Melbourne.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.